Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to get verified on Facebook. Open Facebook apps. Then go to three lines at the top right. Go to Setting. Go to See More in Accounts Center. Then go to Meta Verified. Next, you can continue to pay to get benefits. It will around $15 per month or depend on country you live. Before you proceed to pay, you can go back and read Meta Verified eligibility requirements first. You must meet all the requirements, like you must be at least 18 years old. Meets minimum activity requirements. You must have profile that's associated with your actual name, and also profile picture that shows your face. You must have government ID with clear photo of your face, then two-factor authentication must be on, and you can read the other requirements. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.